Welcome to the Camelback hike on the Cholla trail. A few ground rules about this trail is they do not allow dogs, and also it is a no drone zone, which is unfortunate because I actually brought my drone and had to carry it the entire trip. Also, it is a sun up to sundown hike, and there's no parking at the entry. You have to park a mile away and walk to the entry. The length of the trail is 1.42 miles. This was a perfect day to go hiking. It is February 3rd, and the temperature in Arizona is wonderful right now. It was in the 60s and had a cool breeze. So today was a perfect day to go hiking. Also, today is my last day in Arizona, so I figured I would find something that was cheap and affordable to go and do. The trail is free. You just have to park on the side of the road, walk a mile to the entry, and then you're allowed to walk up the trail, as long as you get there after sunrise and you leave before sunset. So here's some footage of the trail, and hope you guys enjoy.